हाय कोली सोरीला डोलीरा मुंबईच्या किनारी अगं मार्किन कोली हल्लन कोली गचल का बाजारी हाय कोली सोरीला डोलीरा मुंबईच्या किनारी अगं मार्किन कोली हल्लन कोली गचल का बाजारी देशाच्या बाजारी लोकांच्या नजरा पडतील व तुझ्यावरी चला ग पारू करतेस यो नखरा चल गाव बाजारी देशाच्या बाजारी लोकांच्या नजरा पडतील व तुझ्यावरी चला ग पारू करतेस यो नखरा चल गाव बाजारी चल गाव पारू आयले कर बाजारची तयारी निसर्गाची टोपली मध्यामध्ये उंची तुझा बाजारी सरकारने हलवा गाजर है मोर पारूचे पल्ल्यावरी सिंगांनी पाला खातेरी मोर दिसलंय सोनेरी खरे काका गाजर है मोर पारूचे पल्ल्यावरी अरे खोलियो नकवा दर्याची हनतय मोर सोनेरी हाय कोली सोरील्या डोलीरा मुंबईच्या किनारी अगं मार्किन कोली हल्लन कोली गचल गाव बाजारी
It is not how much we have, but how much we enjoy that's extremely proud of you. We would like to extend our gratitude to Mr. Nolak Ahmad. Life is full of us to slow down, stutter, or even fall and continue life's race. Participants moving across the field to pose as obstacles for their team members. So we have 3 sets of hurdles and here they go. Move over the second and again they slide through the third one. And like army commandos they are doing it. Remarkable. The kids are all in form. Dear audience, kindly give a huge round of applause. That was an acrobatic feat.
Sister Mary, Principal St. Mary's Convent Inter College, Allahabad, to give away the prizes to our winners.
Himani Bose, Samra Fatima, Dhruvi Pandey, Anushka Khare, Affairs, Anira Khan, and Asma Ghyas. The second prize goes to Arna Srivastav, Sonakshi Rastogi, Stuti Agarwal, Zikra Ansari, Vanshika Luthra, Sanvi Arora, Sarisha Singh, Uzma Iqbal, Ridhima Yadav, and Zunaira Sheikh. The third prize is bagged by Garvita Chawla, Vinyanshi Kesarwani, Arnavi Yadav, Ravika Arora, Shubhra Yadav, Diya Srivastav, Asmita Gupta, Zeenat Haq, Pratiksha Ira Priya, and Molshri Mishra. Shubha Tiwari, Tejal Singh, Shambhavi Dwivedi, Abigail Elza, Arna Jain, Mannat Vasant, Trisha Singh, Heba Fatma, Ananya Agrawal, Vidhi Rao, and Sanvi Srivastav.
Success is a journey, not a destination. Dear SMCIs, we are proud of your performance. The torch bearers of tomorrow are marching forward confidently. Mother Mary Ward rightly said, women in time to come will do great things. The tiny dots we see in front of us are the torch bearers of tomorrow. And will one day surely
Them to put up this beautiful function today.
sports and games have always been a source of personal enhancement and pleasure. They also provide opportunities
Of your parents, but have exceeded them. Dear audience, give them a huge round of applause. To address the gathering.
Sister Roshni, Sister Mary, Sister Shweta, other respected mothers and sisters, Father Leo Sequeira, Father K.K. Anthony, Father Leo Sequeira, Father Francis, Father Reginald, Father D'Souza, other respected fathers and brothers, the teaching and the non-teaching staff here at St. Mary's, respected parents, friends from the media, my friends, and last but not the least, as they say, dear, dear, dear children. I am tremendously impressed by the great show put out by the tiny tots here at St. Mary's. Tagore had famously said that each child comes with a message that God is not yet disappointed by mankind, of mankind. I must add that the Almighty, having witnessed this tremendous show today along with us this afternoon at St. Mary's, must have felt very, very reassured that He has made a wise decision in sending children to us, because the kind of children who have been trained here, taught here, tremendously talented, very painstakingly tutored for the events today, infused with confidence, invested with enthusiasm, all the events, whether they are related to gender discrimination or ecological protection, other messages which would lend us hands as becoming good citizens of the country, they were put out in such an entertaining fashion which they now call entertainment, and education called edutainment. So I am very, very happy to have been invited here and to witness this tremendous show. I must also say that apart from the Almighty, Sister Myriad must also be very reassured that she'll be getting a good pull from these children only as senior St. Mary's children. So I think there's a lot of reassurance, lot of security, lot of hope, and I think the institutions like Little St. Mary's, the elder sister like St. Mary's, or St. Joseph's, or even other institutions run by missionary institutions with a missionary zeal, and not necessarily by missionaries, but with a missionary zeal, not only do a tremendous service to the society, producing good citizens of the future, but these children are children of hope. They will be remembering this event of today, whatever prize they got, because as Byron had said, the Myrtle and ivy of sweet 2 and 20 are all worth all your laurels, be they ever so plenty. So they are all of 4 or 5 years old children, and they'll remember the little prize they get till the end of their careers and their lives. They may be getting more and more important assignments and prizes, but this day will be very special for them. I really feel blessed to be here. I bless the children. I pay my regards to Sister, especially Sister Shweta, who along with her team has organized this wonderful afternoon. We all know that to organize even a simple event back at home calls for a lot of resources and a lot of energies. But to have organized this show of such high caliber quality and with such messages, with simple procedures, not that they were laden with information, that they were trying to put information down to us, but in the simple manner in which the children presented, led us to believe that we can have a better environment, we can have a better city, and cities should develop like these. So I again compliment the management, the teaching staff here, Sister Roshni and Sister Shweta, her colleagues, all the teaching and non-teaching staff for putting out this wonderful show today. Thank you, sister.
Thank you, sir, for your encouraging and inspiring words. Your address motivates us to continue to strive hard and achieve more.
Responding to the clarion call of the United Nations, SMC family has set apart this year towards a journey to a deeper awareness of the importance of a peaceful and sustainable future. We believe that the only way forward to improving the quality of the earth is to get everyone involved. As a symbolic gesture towards a greater commitment to environmental protection, our tiny SMCites will offer a sapling to our Honorable Chief Guest. Thank you, dear. I request our guest of honor, Reverend Sister Roshni CJ, to give away the prizes to all our budding stars for their thrilling performance. You were at your best, dear students. LKG goes to LKG A and B. Goes to LKG C and D.
the prizes to the winners of UKG. The prize for the best item from UKG goes to UKG A and B. The prize for the best UKG goes to UKG C and D. And the prize for the best effort is backed by UKG E and F. Thank you, sir, for doing the honors.
Audience, kindly give a huge round of applause to our little ones. They truly deserve it. May I invite Ma'am Zoya Varsi to propose the vote of thanks.
A very good afternoon to one and all. On behalf of the school management, I take this golden opportunity to extend my heartfelt gratitude. First of all to God the Almighty, who blessed us with these happy moments of success. We are deeply grateful to our Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Rajan Shukla, Commissioner, Allahabad Division, who found time amidst multifarious preoccupations and travels to be with us this afternoon. Thank you, sir, for being a moral boost for our children. Your presence has doubled our joy. We are thankful to Mrs. Neelam Shukla and the parents of Mr. Rajan Shukla for their gracious presence in our midst. I would like to acknowledge my genuine thanks to Sister Roshni CJ, the Provincial Superior of Allahabad Province, for her gracious presence, which gave us a lot of encouragement and support. Thank you, Sister, for taking keen interest in our activities as well as in the development of the school. I thank Sister Teresina, our manager, for her encouraging presence and timely assistance. We are indebted to our dear headmistress, who stood behind us like a pillar of strength to make this event a success. Thank you, sister, for motivating and encouraging us throughout this program. We owe a special thanks to Sister Harriet, Principal, St. Mary's Convent Inter College, for her constant support and for providing us with a dedicated staff to help us in today's function. I would like to extend my sincere thanks to Sister Florence and Sister Surabhi, who have been us throughout the practice, ever showing us how to better our skills and achieve perfection. Thank you, dear parents, for your excellent cooperation, because of which we could succeed in our endeavors to bring forth the hidden talents of our children. With deep sense of appreciation, we recall the efforts of our dear loving teachers. Your days of hard work did bear much fruit today. We thank you wholeheartedly for your enthusiasm and dedication. There are a number of people who individually as well as with their team deserve a special applaud. Mr. Ashit Roy, a musician who added life to our program with his beautiful music. A special thanks to EK team and our photographer,
Mr. Vishwakarma. Our announcers have done a commendable job by keeping us captivated and rooted to our seats with their wonderful commentaries. We are also grateful to the media persons who took time from their busy schedule to take stock of today's happenings. Thanks to all sisters and postulants for their loving help and prayerful support, and to all the teachers of classes 1, 2 and 3 for their cooperation in smooth running of today's function.